This press conference is called to showcase or to show to the people of Goa, especially inter-village clubs and football lovers, how the current present executive committee led by the president and other executive members are running football affairs in Goa. We have filed an appeal under clause 48(2) before the Arbitration Tribunal of Goa Football Association on 8 February 2025. And our main prayer in this was JFA have no power, JFA Executive Committee has no power, no authority to change or alter clusters or to amend inter-village private tournament rules. Executive Committee can only decide whatever is not coming under the purview of the general body and the AGM. We have prayed that JFA in its executive committee meeting on 13th January 2025 have changed and altered the clusters and also amended the inter-village private football tournament rules without the authority and without the power to do that. That's why we have prayed in our petition to revoke the decision taken by, to set aside the decision taken by Executive Committee of JFA and to withdraw or make null and void the new private member rules which had been amended by the Executive Committee. Once we have filed a petition on 8 February, the President Caetano Fernandes at a function, football final in Kuttori, in his speech, and also has given a bite after the final to the press that 10 clubs from Salsette want to destroy football, want to stop the 70 years history of inter-village football tournament in Goa, and we have gone in court and we will stop all inter-village football tournament from organizing the tournaments. This is a thorough lie. He does not know what the Constitution has given us. We have filed a petition under Article 48(2), and the 48(2) says only the Arbitration Tribunal is empowered to deal with appeals against the decision of the Executive Committee. The reference to the Arbitration Tribunal shall be sought by an application made to the Association Secretariat within 10 days of the notification of the decision. The letter JFA sent on 29 January about the decision to amend and alter the rules as well as private tournament rules, and within 10 days we have filed an appeal. The President don't know the Constitution himself. These are the statutes of the JFA, and he don't know we have power to move before the Arbitration Tribunal and to file a petition to get relief from the decision. And after 6 long months of hearing, after going to all the documents submitted by the 10 clubs and the JFA, the Arbitration Tribunal of JFA has given an order on 17th July 2025. I will briefly go into the order. Only two paragraphs. It is a speaking order, detailed order, and I request the press to go to that order and specific what they have done is mentioned here in detail. The executive committee was not empowered by the AGM to finalize the disputed clusters and much less implement them when the affected club were not agreeable to the proposed changes in the cluster. Again, they said in para 17, the executive committee did not even have a whisper of a mandate of the AGM to finalize the clusters without addressing the concern of the affected clubs and without resolving the objection of the cluster allocation. Again in para 20, finally they said, Executive Committee of the JFA have acted beyond and in excess of the power vested in it under the AGM dated 21/7/2024, and hence the following order was passed. The appeal was allowed. The decision rendered by the Executive Committee of the JFA at its meeting dated 13/1/2025 is hereby quashed and set aside, and consequently the letter bearing reference number JFA 2024-25 P1837 dated 29/1/2025 issued by JFA to all the president and secretaries of all permanent clubs is directed to be withdrawn forthwith. Now with this judgment, whatever decision JFA has taken, JFA Executive Committee has taken in its 13th January 2025 meeting is set aside, and the letter which they have wrote on 29th January 2025 is withdrawn forthwith. So now these rules 2025 private tournament rules are withdrawn and the decision is set aside to change the classes. So now JFA has to follow the 2026 rules of inter-village private tournaments, and they have to follow the same clusters which were formed in 2016, which they have to inform to all the inter-village clubs organizing the tournaments. हे ऑर्डरीचेर गोंयच्या फुटबॉलाक जैत मेळ्ळा. हे ऑर्डरीचेर गोंयच्या इंटरविलेज क्लबांक जैत मेळ्ळा. कित्याक JFA एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटी लेड बाय प्रेसिडेंट कायतानो फेर्नांडीस आनी त्याचे एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटी they were working in an arrogant, egoistic and dictatorial manner. They were running their affairs as per their dictates, which was not there in the constitution, which they are violating their own statutes of JFA. By this order, we want to tell the executive committee, henceforth the inter-village clubs of Goa will not keep quiet. We will fight whatever decision you take against the downfall of football. We will fight against all your decisions which have violated, which you have taken without the power enshrined in the statutes. We therefore request the executive committee to inform all the inter-village clubs of this order immediately. Now I will go in detail how the executive committee have manipulated. The general body meeting was held on 21/7/2024, and in that meeting they were appointed 2 minuters to write the minutes or to note down the minutes. Minuter 1 was Gil Fernandez, Secretary of PAX of Nagwa, and Minuter 2 was Helen Naik, Kankona Sports and Cultural Club. After the general body meeting, EGM was followed and the same minuters were appointed to write the minutes. Now in their meeting notings, both the minuters have wrote, I have the copies which I got from the hearing. I will go to the last para and Selen Naik have numbered the paging 1, then 2 and 3. And in 3 clusters he has said Tiswadi, Raibandar added, and there was no change in any other cluster. Salsette status quo means same. Sign name. Then other minuter Gil Fernandez cluster Tiswadi, Raibandar, no changes in other clusters. Salsette proposed from Asoda to change cluster. Sign and he has put a line. मागीर हिंगा दोगांयनी कंप्लीट कोला दोगांयनी कंप्लीट कोन आमी पेटिशन घाल म्हणटीच दोनी मिनिटरान एक पेज ऐड कोला नंबर ना ही पेज ऐड जाली तुगेले एडिशनल नोट्स टू द मिनिट्स ऑफ द 21st July मीटिंग आनी हे कितें सांगता द अमेंडमेंट टू द प्रायवेट फुटबॉल टुर्नामेंट were proposed and amended on 21st July 2024. No final decision on the Salsette and Cape cluster. Salsette and Cape cluster club to meet with South Goa Executive Committee members to discuss the same by November 2024, and the Executive Committee should finalize the same and implement the same in January. Minutes ended. दोगांयनी सेम नोटिंग एक लोन वर्ड चेंज ना एक वर्ड लगून हे एडिशनल तेमी पेज ऐड कोला तितू एक लोन वर्ड चेंज ना एक्झॅक्ट सेम टू सेम फकत तेमी नाम मुगे बायला आनी आमी तेन्ना चाल तेन्ना आर्गुमेंटा आमगे हियरिंगाक तेमी सांगलें की ते मिस जाले हें बरोवपाक दोगोय मिस जाले होच पॅराग्राफ बरोवपाक आनी तेमी मागीर बरयले आनी मागीर ही पेज ऐड कोली GFA तेंगे आर्गुमेंटा सांगले तेमी की हे दोगोय मोदे उठोन गेले दोगांकूय काम पडलें आनी हे जनरल सेक्रेटरी GFAन ताका डिक्टेट कोला देखोन सेम टू सेम आहा आनी हे तुगेले मेन मॅन्युपुलेशन मिनिट तुगे डिटेल तुगे बरें आतां आमी गेले
कोर्ट आर्ग्यू करून जालो न्हू आतां म्हटलें सांग बाबा कितें प्रॉब्लेम केलो तुमकां तेणी तुमकां कित्याक लागून एकलो वचपा पडलें बिल
आतां तेमी डिसिजन आतां जनरल बॉडीन तुका सांगलें EGMान तांकां मिटींग घे म्हूण आनी मिटींग घेली तुगेले क्लबा मध्ये 10th October 2024 आनी थिंगा मिनिट्सां बरयलां देयर वॉज नो कन्क्लुसिव डिसिजन as the club affected were not agreeing to the proposed changes. हे मिनिट्स तुगेलो क्लबा मध्ये डिसिजन जालना क्लब एग्री जालें चेंज करपाक हे जाण हे कोल आसतना 13 January ही पळ ती कोर्टान पळ सेट डिसायड करूं म्हणा ते रेजोल्युशन तेमी गेले 13 January ते रेजोल्युशन आसा विथ रिगार्ड टू द अमेंडमेंट ऑफ द फील्ड क्लस्टर सिन्स देयर वॉज डिस्क्रिपन्सी. The executive committee members deliberated and accordingly South Goa executive committee members along with concerned club from South Goa met and deliberated on the matter to which a final decision could not be arrived. But still, eka power नासलो मागीर कितें कोल्लें मी the members unanimously agreed to implement the revised inter-village football tournament rules with effect from January 25 and to implement the clusters. हेका हो पावर दिलो ना EGMान पावर कितें दिल्लो मिटींग घे म्हूण मिटिंग्स घे तुका ते क्लब एग्री जाल बरो कन्क्लुजना तेंगे एड्रेस कोल बरो कन्सर्न आनी ते एग्री जाल म्हणटीच तूं डिसिजन घे म्हूण क्लब एग्री जालें ना जाल्यार तेमी पोते EGMाक कॉल करूंक जाय आसली आनी पोत EGMा हें सांगपा जाय आसलें क्लब जालें ना एकूय मिटिंगेचेर जालना म्हूण डिसिजन गेलें एग्जिक्युटीव कमिटी पावरू ना आनी त्या ऑथॉरिटी ना चेंज करपाक इम्प्लिमेंट करपाक इंटरव्हिलेज रूल आनी चेंज करपाक. हे डिसिजन जालें म्हणटकीर तेमी 29 जानेवारी लेटर बरयलें. आतां हें विड्रॉ कर म्हणा, हे लेटर विड्रॉ कर म्हणा ऑर्डरीचेर. आतां हें कित्याक हिंग तेमी हें लेटर सेक्रेटरीन धाडलां सगळे प्रेजिडेंट आनी सेक्रेटरी सगळे क्लबां 156 क्लब. हे हेचेर कितें म्हणा AGMान डिसायड कोन्न म्हणटा तेमी की रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी क्लबान डिसायड करपा फायनलायज करपाचें. क्लब हे पळय हे आयज सावथ गोवा क्लबा ऑथॉरिटी दिली ना आहली. दुसरें कितें सांगलें तेमी सेक्रेटरी न्हू द कन्सर्न प्लेस बिफोर फायनलायजेशन बिफोर द एग्जिक्युटीव कमिटी ड्युरिंग इन मीटिंग ऑन 13/1/2025 and the same was approved and consequently the revised private interview football rules have come into force. हेणे फोर्स जालें स्टार्ट केलां सगल्या क्लबां. हे आम 13 जानेवारी डिसिजन गेलां आनी आज सोत इमिजिएट तुगेल्या इफेक्टान येयला म्हूण. आनी हे तुगे मिनिट्स जे पळय क्लबा मिनिट्सान मिटींग कंट्रोलूय केलें तेणें कित्याक हिंगा तेमी तें सांगिल्लें ना क्लब एग्री जालें नाय कन्क्लुजना येयलें नाय म्हूण तें. आतां तें एग्री जालें नाय म्हूण हे मिनीट हे खूंय मेन्शन ना हे लेटरीचेर. सो हेमी आपणान जायते भाशेन पावर विदावट पावर आनी विदावट ऑथॉरिटी तेम डिसिजन गेलां. आनी तेका लागून ही ऑर्डर तेका ही ऑर्डर येयला आनी ही ऑर्डर डिटेल आहा तुमी अशी. सो आमी आतां हे ऑर्डरीचेर तेका GFAक ताबडतोब तेका आमी सांगता हेजे मुखार आमी टोर्नामेंट हे फुटबॉल प्लेयर आमी घडोवन हाडटा. इंटरव्हिलेज क्लब यूथ डेव्हलपमेंट आमी कोता, टोर्नामेंट ऑर्गनायज आमी कोता. GFA फकत आमची जनरल बॉडी आनी AGM ही सुप्रीम GFA एलेक्ट कोला आमी कोला क्लबान आनी GFA कसलोच पावर ना. आनी हेजे मुखार कसले तेमी डिसिजन फुटबॉला आनी क्लबाचे गेले आमी तेका फायट कोतले. आनी हे ऑर्डर GFA एग्जिक्युटीव कमिटी स्पेशली द प्रेजिडेंट तेजो डिक्टेटर हुकुमशाही तानाशाही ही ऑर्डरीचेर तेका दाखोवन दिलां की तुजी हुकुमशाही तानाशाही तुगे एरोगंट चलपा ना. रूल आनी कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन स्टेटस ऑफ गोवा फुटबॉल एसोसिएशन एंड इंटरव्हिलेज क्लब एंड जनरल बॉडी एंड AGM इज सुप्रीम म्हणून.
थोड्याशान सांगपा म्हळ्यार EGMाक पयलीं तेमी 21 जुलय 2024 आनी ते EGMाक तेमी इंटरव्हिलेज रुल्स आनी क्लस्टर्स एमेंड करपाक गायले मुखार. EGMान EGM म्हणजे एक्स्ट्रॉर्डिनरी जनरल बॉडी मिटींग म्हणटा तेका वीच हॅज पावर्स टू एमेंड द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. थिंगा एग्रीमेंट जावं ना ऑन क्लस्टर्स. On clusters there was no agreement at all. There were differences among the clubs. So what this EGM directed the South Goa GFA committee to sit with the concerned clubs and address their concerns and then take a final decision. And the mandate to the executive was that the concerned clubs should have meetings and come to a consensus, address their concerns. That was the word that they used. Address their concerns and then take a decision. But एकूच meeting them गेली on 10th November 2024, where there was no consensus. There was still disagreement on the proposed new clusters, and therefore the executive committee on 13th January 2025 took it upon themselves without mandate to pass these rules, even after there was disagreement at the South Goa Salset Club meeting. There was disagreement, still they took decision to implement on 13th of January 2025. Now this decision, which is ultra virus of the statutes, because there was no mandate from the general body to take a final decision by the executive committee. Now the executive committee took this decision and circulated to the clubs on 21st
29.
29th of January 2025. Circulated to the clubs, all the clubs, that the rules will come into force from January 2025. And this is ultra virus as shown by the tribunal. And because we were agreed, the people there in the committee have been spreading rumors that the clubs, inter-village clubs, have been stopped because the clubs went to court. We have not gone to court. We were aggrieved and we have gone to the judicial body of the GFA. The judicial body constituted by GFA is the arbitration tribunal, and there we have gone and got redressal of our grievances. And now we demand that they take a fresh EGM and discuss afresh the rules. Thank you.
So what was the problem for you all? Why had to approach the tribunal?
Because
आम्ही ट्रायब्युनला अप्रोच केले बिकॉज तेका पावर ना GFA पावर ना एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटी GFA पावर ना तांकां डिसिजन घेवपाक जाता वीच इज नॉट कमिंग अंडर द पर्व्यू ऑफ द जनरल बॉडी एंड EGM आनी तांकां विदाउट पावर एंड विदाउट ऑथॉरिटी तेमी चेंज कर म्हूण 13 जानेवारी मिटिंगेक आनी 29 जानेवारी ते इम्प्लिमेंट कर म्हूण
चेंज केला कसले रूल चेंज केले?
clusters,
तेमी
inter-village, we have got clusters,
इंटरविलेज फुटबॉल रूल्स अमेंड केले तेमी
Okay.
आनी तुगेले क्लास्टर अल्टर केले क्लास्टर तुगेलो चांदोर गिंदोली एक आसोटा आनी शेड्डे एक क्लास्टर आहलो ते आतां 2 केल्या आनी कुंकोली अंबावली कुंकोली फातर्पा बार्ली एक आहले अंबावली दुसरी केला.
What is their interest in changing these clusters? These clusters have existed for years.
From
Why are they insistent on changing this?
ते असिस्टंट आतां तांकां GFA एक्झिक्युटीव कमिटीक तेमी चेंज केला तांकां एक आसोडा क्लबाक तेजो आमचो प्रेसिडेंटाचो तो रिलेटीव आहा ताका तेगे लेटर दीन ताका हे करूं जाय क्लब सेपरेट करूं जाय म्हूण तांकां आनी एक सपोर्ट घेवपा जाय म्हूण आमावली 2 क्लास्टर चेंज करपाक ना एकूच आतां आहलो कोटा आहलें आसोडा कित्याक लागून तो आंबावली ताका सपोर्टा जाय म्हूण इट इज बिकॉज ऑफ सेल्फ इंट्रस्ट फुटबॉला लागून हें डिसिजन घेतलें ना फुटबॉला लागून हें डिसिजन न्हू फुटबॉल तुगेले सारके क्लास्टर आनी क्लास्टर तूं ऑल्टर कोता आख्खे क्लबान तुवें कॉन्फिडन्सान घेवपा जाय तुवें सर्वे काडूं जाय कितले प्लेयर आहाय ब्लेज घायलो म्हूण ना प्लेयर आसपा जाय आनी हिंगा 2 आसोड्डा आनी शेड्डेकाण चांदोर आनी कावले दवरले तेंगे प्लेयर तेंची टीम कितें करून जातली टीम जायना तशेंच आमी आंबावली 20 वर्स खेळटाले आमी डेवलप केले ते प्लेयर जाले आमचे वयले GFDC कुंकोली सेंटर आनी कुंकोली युनियनाचो यूथ डेवलप सो आतां ते आनी तेगेले आंबावली मिनेटेड आहा ते कॉपी दिल्या आंबावली जॉर्ज फेर्नांडीस सांगता आमी कुंकोली क्लास्टरा खेळों जायना रिजन कितें तो कितें म्हणटा वी आर कल्चरली एंड एथनिकली डिफरंट फ्रॉम द रेजिडेंट ऑफ कुंकोली दिस इज रेसिजम एंड डिस्क्रिमिनेशन which violates clause 5(2) of the statutes and the club should be suspended. Here is clause and तो म्हणटा केपें we are going to Cape cluster because we are ethnically and culturally matched with that and here Kukuli residents are culturally ethnically so this is total racism and will condemn and will ask the GFA to take immediate action against United Club of
The tribunal has quashed the ruling. So what is the next step that you guys are planning to take? Because they have to take it back since the tribunal is there, or do they have an option of appealing?
I think going to the order which have specific and which is speaking by itself, they can appeal, but I don't think there is chance where they will have relief because the judgment is in detail and the violations are total. So their option is only they have to call a EGM and go back to EGM and let the AGM decide. Only the general body at the AGM has got powers to amend the rules and to change or alter. Only the general body at the AGM has power, which through information they only has informed. One of the annexure 2, if you go to, they only said general body at the EGM has got power to alter and change, and executive committee has no powers. They only have given us by mail. And here, because of one, and they are advocate, when we ask them why there was a hurry, you should have gone back to EGM. In the argument, their advocate has mentioned these words, by hook and crook, we wanted to implement it in January 2025. By hook and crook. That's why they have decided without powers in the 13th January meeting.
डिमांड शॉर्ट
The 10 clubs are in any teachers group are.
ते माहिती ऑस्कर तुझे डिमांड ते माहिती
तो किती जागे दोन मिनिटात कव्हर
जाना
शॉर्ट डिमांड किती आणि किती
आमचे डिमांड तुगेले हे ऑर्डर येयला म्हणटच EGM टीम कॉल करपाची एज पर द प्रोसिजर आणि लेट द EGM डिसाइड द cluster change and amend whether they want to amend or status quo, because now at present interview rules of 2026 as well as cluster are in force. Let the EGM decide whether they want to change. And second most important, we want to tell the executive committee of the JFA, especially the president, तुझी ती तानाशाही आणि हुकुमशाही बंद कर, बोल भाशेन फुटबॉल कर, डेव्हलप कर. आमी इंटरव्हिलीज क्लब्स फुटबॉलाक सदांच तेंको दिल्ले, बट तुवें तुजे इगो आनी एरोगन्सी कंटिन्यू केली आनी हुकुमशाही तानाशाही आमी केन्नाच वगळ रावना. एंड वी विल फायट फॉर फुटबॉल एंड वी विल डू एनीथिंग फॉर फुटबॉल इन गोवा.